What's up, guys? Back with another video. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Don't judge me, Hank, okay? We are going to create some storage because I have a little bit of storage now and it's not great and it's ugly and I don't like it. So I'm going to take a lot of the scrap wood that I have just lying around and I'm going to put some storage up there with some 2x2s, 2x4s, plywood, whatever I can find, okay? Because we got stuff over there, we got stuff over there, we got stuff over there, and it's time to put some stuff up there, you know? So, let's boogie. You know what? You want to know a good / bad hack to finding studs? My stud finder's out of batteries, but I can see the lines and I can see a couple of the actual screws. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little bitty guy and make sure I find the spot, and then I'm going to go 16 on center just to make sure, you know. Just watch. Just watch. We're going to come out 2 feet from the wall. So, that's it. I need a ladder. I got a ladder. It only took me like a lot of years to finally be like, oh, I should buy a ladder. Picked this up from a pawn shop. Forgot those existed. Pawn shop. Don't pay full price for a ladder, okay? All right. Let's build. I cut these at every 24 inches because the ceiling studs are 24 inches apart. Okay, I'm going to do this one at 16 inches because the back wall is 16-inch studs. I've got some scrap wood here, and I'm going to cut these to 20.5 inches, and they are going to hang down from the boards from the ceiling so that they could sit at 19 inches total. So they're going to screw in at 20.5. Does that make sense? It'll make sense later. Don't try this at home. Here we go. Time to do one more.